Before installation, prepare necessary tools and materials. The RG-AirMetro550G-B wireless bridge can be mounted on a 90-degree, 120-degree, or 360-degree antenna. This video demonstrates the installation of the AN16S120 antenna. First, attach the U-bracket to the back of the antenna using 4 hexagon flange nuts. Then, secure the pole bracket to either side of the U-bracket using 2 Phillips hexagon flange bolts. Next, thread 2 cuphead square neck bolts with large head through the pole bracket and the pole clamp, and secure the antenna to the pole using 2 hexagon flange nuts. The Phillips hexagon flange bolts on the U-bracket can be loosened to adjust the tilt angle of the antenna. Connect one end of each RF cable to an SMA connector on the wireless bridge, and tighten them by hand. With the end connected to the RF cables facing upward, align the wireless bridge with the mounting bracket and slide it down to secure it in place. Attach the other end of each RF cable to an SMA connector on the antenna, and then cover each joint with the protective cover. Install the waterproof cover by sliding it down to cover the top of the wireless bridge. Press the protruding piece at the bottom of the wireless bridge to remove the bottom cover. Take out the passive PoE injector and connect it to the power cord. Use or make an Ethernet cable based on the distance between the wireless bridge and the power source. The device supports PoE power supply over Cat5e or higher cables with a maximum length of 100 meters, 328 feet. Connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the LAN 1 PoE port of the wireless bridge, and the other end to the PoE port of the passive PoE injector. Then, connect the LAN port of the passive PoE injector to a server using another Ethernet cable. Finally, plug the power cord into a 220V power socket for power supply. The wireless bridge must be powered using the supplied PoE injector. Using other PoE injectors or switches may result in irreparable damage to the wireless bridge. To dismount the wireless bridge, start by pressing the left and right sides of the waterproof cover to remove it. Then, press the protruding piece to detach the wireless bridge from the antenna. The installation is complete. Thank you for watching.